Lima. I'm going to have to
landing at Toledo. Got some F-16s in front of us.
669er, descend and maintain 2,300. Continue present heading at the vector for the sequence.
2,500, and we'll continue with present heading.
Toledo, the tops have dropped down in this area where we are, just so you know. 71 Lima.
71 Lima, roger. Number 669er, turn left heading 230.
Left 230, 669.
Sting 11 is 900 miles from Toledo, turn right heading of 220, maintain 2,400 until you're established on the final, clear for the ILS runway, or I'm sorry, the TACAN runway 25 approach. .669er, descend and maintain 2,300.
Descending to 2,300, 669.
Bus 22, departure. .669er, turn right heading of 320, advise the airport in sight.
Airport in sight, 320, 669.
Bus 22, departure. Bus 22, Toledo departure, radar contact, say request. Bus 22, roger, maintain 3,500, turn left heading 050.
Approach 669 has the airport in sight, descending to 2,300, 320 heading.
669, roger. I'll have that clearance for you here in just a second. .669er, clear visual approach runway 34, contact tower 118.1. They got two F-16s on a 5-mile final for 25.
Okay, we got you. Thanks, 669, thanks.
Thanks for your help.
Tower, the Toledo Tower, Skylane 72669 is on the visual for 34.
Sting 11 Toledo Tower.
Toledo Tower, Skylane 72669 is on the visual for 34.
34.
Tower, Skylane 72669 is on the visual for 34.
Sting 11, West Cable indicates upwind 030 at 8. Did you want the SFO for both or just for 12? Sting 11, runway 25, clear low approach. Buzz 21 across, runway 16 at Delta.
Tower, Skylane 72669er.
November 72669 at Toledo Tower.
Yeah, we're on the visual for 34, 669.
November 669, roger, runway 34, clear to land, traffic crossing no factor.
Okay, clear to land, 669.
Sting 11, proceed to high key, expect to hold at high key. Envoy 3813, wind 030 at 7, proceed direct Illy, runway 25, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, direct Illy for runway 25, envoy 3813.
Number 72669, traffic will be departing runway 25 southwestbound prior to your arrival.
Roger, 669.
Envoy 3813, there's traffic 2 miles south of the airport inbound for the crossing runway.
3813, roger, we're rolling.
Traffic not available.
Okay, we're on final.
Envoy 3813, contact departure.
Call departure, have a good day, Envoy 3813.
Sting 11, hold a high key, here's traffic 5 mile final, a F-16 inbound on the ILS. Buzz 22, Toledo Tower, wind 030 at 6, runway 25, clear to land, west cable indicates up. Sting 11, the F-16 traffic, you're following a 3 mile final, leaving on 1600, you have it in sight. Sting 11, roger, follow that traffic, SFO approved.
Six 669 cross 25.
Sting 11, hold it high key, there's more F-16 traffic inbound from the west, be overflying the airport.
Tower 669 is on 34.
November 669er, you do a 180 there and then turn off on November, or on Bravo, sorry, Delta.
Okay, I'll turn off on Delta 669.
Buckeye 31, west cable indicates up, brake approach end. Buzz 22, turn left at Delta 11 and taxi to the guard ramp via Delta and cross runway 16 Delta, remain this frequency. Number 669er, turn right on November there, hold short runway 25.
Right, November, hold short at 25, 669.
Number 669er, safe parking.
We're going to, looks like we want a Grand Air 669.
Number 669er, roger, you can cross runway 25 at November, taxi Grand Air via Bravo.
Okay, cross 25 at November and Grand Air via Bravo 669.
Buckeye 31, say intentions. Buckeye 31, runway 25, clear to land. Sing 11 SFO approved.